Welcome to the TED Online Tutorials. In this video, you will learn how to manage your dashboard. As a signed-in user, select the My Dashboard option. In the first table, you will be able to manage your searches. You will find two tabs. In the first tab, you have an overview of your saved searches. You can create up to 25 saved searches, so if you want to save a new one, you must overwrite an existing one. Using the Actions button, you are able to rename each search. And you can activate or deactivate the corresponding RSS feed. If the RSS feed option is enabled, a specific icon is visible in the table. By selecting it, you can navigate to the RSS feed page corresponding to each the search. You can edit a saved search and save a new query after you finish your changes, or delete the selected saved search. In the second tab, you have an overview of your most recent searches as you navigated the TED website. Finally, using the Actions button, you can add the selected search to your saved searches. In the second table, you will be able to manage your search alerts. You can create up to 25 search alerts and define the frequency according to which you wish to be notified by email. Via the Actions button, you can rename the search alert, modify its frequency, edit the query or delete it. In the last table, you will be able to manage your notice alerts. You will find two tabs. In the first tab, you have an overview of your notices alerts. For every notice alert, using the Actions button, you can edit and define a reminder date, or deactivate the alerts. If the alert is activated, a bell icon is visible in the table. You can also delete the alert. Under the Recently Viewed Notices tab, you can track the notices you have viewed as you navigate the TED website. Finally, via the Actions button, you can create a notice alert for each of the recently viewed notices. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit our help page and check our other video tutorials.